You know how the fake blood in the movie props are made? This is an interesting experiment. When we use a sharp knife to cut the palm of our hand, a lot of dark red blood instantly comes out. It was a bit of a shocking scene. The next amazing thing that happened was, when we poured a glass of water on our palms, as the water washes away the red blood, we see that the palm is not actually broken, and the wound miraculously disappeared. How did this happen? It's not really blood, it's a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction is also called a chemical wound. To achieve this phenomenon, it is also very simple to do. All you need to do is to apply a solution of potassium sulfate and iron chloride to the knife and the skin. A solution of potassium sulfate and ferric chloride is applied. When these two liquids come into contact, they react quickly and produce iron sulfate, which is the burgundy liquid we see here. This phenomenon is known as the Lohmann reaction. This reaction does not require a catalyst. This means that the moment the two liquids come into contact, a new form is created, even if the liquid is poured onto toilet paper, and then you run a fork over it. We can see that the toilet paper is also bleeding. It looks very real, and the solution that makes the fake blood disappear is actually a solution of sodium fluoride. The reason why the fake blood disappears is because when they meet, the iron ions in the two solutions and the chloride ions have a better coordination.